accounting for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allentown, or 8 miles south of New Haven, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations in transit include Hamburg and Strausstown. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,